Jartzen dezu linterna eskopetari eta zer gertatzen da. Gero eskopetan palarik ez daudela. Ahora, me han dicho un droga, ahí conectan Michael. Vale. Atea desagertu egin da. Oso ondo.
Oh, hey, there you are.
What's cracking?
So, we all good?
Hell yeah, we all good. We did it.
Yeah, you fucking ain't right, we did. So, here's the shot. Lester's offloading the gems. He knows a guy. Get us 50 cents on the dollar. Hell, we might actually have a little spending money left after we pay off that psychotic Mexican motherfucker. Whew, cheers.
So that's that, right?
I hope so.
The whole job. Everything about it. Anyone who knows your file, what is wrong with you?
Davey! Long time no see.
And what about Trevor? If that fruitcake realizes, finds out you're alive, you are D-O-N-E fucked!
Don't worry about Trevor. Trevor's dead. It's gotta be. Besides, I didn't have nothing to do with it. Whatever the hell it is you're talking about.
Really?
The criminals are believed to escape with millions of dollars worth of gems, precious stones, and engagement rings. Albert Story had a lucky escape when the thieves ran straight into him.
Yeah, I was just doing my job, and I say to this guy, hey, you gotta move these bikes.
I don't know anything about that.
And this other guy runs out of the shop, pushes me over and says something like, you forget thousands of things every day. You make sure this is one of them. That was pretty scary.
Back to you in the studio.
Martillo pilon moduak ez du funtzionatzen, eh?
You want to get lit now, sugar?
Vale, Trevor.
Trevor, baby, you wanna smoke up now?
Don't do it, Johnny! Don't do it!
Trevor! You been with my girl again? I'm speaking with you, asshole!
Don't do it, Johnny! I told him, Trevor, I told him!
We all get high! We all get high! But that don't make it right!
Johnny! Leave it!
The crystal has got us, babe, but that don't make it right. Don't make nothing right! Not what you done with me.
I'm telling Johnny, leave it!
I ain't leaving nothing! Trevor! I'm talking to you, motherfucker!
Are you? What are you saying?
Fucking my girl, man. It's wrong.
Well, I gotta fuck someone. You want me to fuck you instead? Is that the problem here? Take off your pants, cowboy, all right? Let's fuck.
You think this is funny?
Get them off!
I told him to leave it, Trevor. I told him. Leave it. Leave it.
Shut up, Ron. I'm about to fuck me a meth head, ain't I, cowboy? Get my boy sucked from his toothless gums, huh?
Fuck you, Trevor.
Oh.
I still love her.
All right, cowboy. Hey, I know. Hey, come on.
I don't mean nothing by it, man.
I know.
I'm messed up.
I know, cowboy. It's okay, man. Give me a hug, yeah. Shh. fucking shit! Cunt! 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 Who the fuck are you speaking to? Who? Who? I'm talking to you, huh? You fuck!
Johnny!
Huh? Next time, don't get in my fucking face! I just saw a fucking ghost and I gotta hear your crap! Get up! Get up!
Acábate oyendo.
Fuck you then!
Johnny!
Wait!
Psicópata.
Fuck! The wheels are in motion. We gotta reach out to the rest of them.
En Trevor el Bardugo, vale. Pitzatuta dagoena.
Wait! This ghost I saw. His name is Michael Townley. Sounds like he's living in Los Santos. Find him.
Really? My cousin's there, but I don't...
Find him! Wade!
Does this mean I don't have to come see the bikers?
We're in a hurry, but not that much of a hurry.
But if we bury Johnny in the desert and then quiet down that bitch Ashley you was in, then they don't need to find out about it.
You think it's clever to disrespect women?
Disrespect? What? I wasn't disrespecting. I was just saying we should kill her.
You called her a bitch! Ain't you got a mother?
Everyone got mothers, at least one.
We're going up to that farm on the right? That's where they're meant to be.
Desvaduili ahí.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hey, you seen Ashley? Johnny's looking for her.
Well, you know, as a matter of fact, I just did, just 10 minutes ago. Yeah, I saw her on the end of this penis here.
Johnny ain't gonna be cool if you messing with her again.
Oh, really? Well, you don't think so, huh? Well, why don't we just ask him then, huh? Hey, cowboy, you mind that I fucked your old lady? Sorry, what was that? Well, no, you don't mind? Oh, because you're a dead man? And the only sentient part you left is this little bit of brain and the gristle on the end of my boot? Well, thank you very much, cowboy.
Bullshit!
Oh, I like it, denial. That is first part of the grieving process, brothers. Now let's all hold hands, huh? Well, looks like you got something you want to say, huh? You got something you need to say?
This better be bullshit.
Oh, where you guys going, huh? Let's go, ladies. If that van takes us back to the camp, this area ain't gonna have a biker problem much longer. Whoa! If we lose these pricks because of you... Where are you gone, fucker?
Joder, guarda, den a su error, tío. El chico guerrero. Ese a ti que ese, es que no salió nada, tío.
Alright! We follow the van back to the rest of them. Then the Lost MC are out of this region for good. Ah! Can't fuck with the van! But we can drop those bikers.
Did you see the look on their faces?
We scared them, didn't we?
Yeah! Thank fuck they didn't make you for the harmless idiots you are!
You need some seatbelts back here, or straps or something.
I only keep things in the back I don't mind losing.
Oh.
There been a change of plan?
Try saying that again.
You gotta slow it up, man! That's a sharp left!
Damn!
Can you give me some warning next time?
Shit stomper!
Down he fell! off the side on the left there, we should make it across.
If that van takes us back to the camp, this area ain't... Ow! This area ain't gonna have a biker problem much longer. The van's got a pass, but the guys on bikes can go.
Did you see the look on their faces?
We scared them, didn't we?
Yeah, thank fuck they didn't make you for the harmless idiots you are!
You need some seatbelts back here, or straps or something!
I only keep things in the back I don't mind losing.
Oh.
Sharp left! Slow it down! I can't see us taking out all the bikers this go, boss! I mean, there'll be some by that airstrip, some over, you know, by that...
If not today, their time will soon be upon them. Crap!
I'm sure there's a reason you're giving them all this space.
Ron, shut it!
You keep left. We might be able to jump across there.
Shut your mouth and make sure you die.
Vai. Pikutara. Gauza que dijo a Songi.
Step right up! Step right up!
If you got any questions about what's happening, speak to Trevor.
Don't worry! There's plenty of me to go around.
Into cover!
You got no way out, bitch.
Let's get out of here!
You stupid.
I'm wiping out my whole customer base.
Such a shame we got to get some fine cooker, Crystal. Fall back!
Pull the throttle, you fucking... Come on!
Get a man down.
And suddenly, everything makes sense!
Stop that creepy fuck!
Fuck you!
Vale.
Guns fast, unless they got chocolate.
Hey, wait! God! Me. Yeah, that punk killed Johnny before the Christmas.
Step right up! Step right up!
You ain't going nowhere.
That's my brother.
Ah!
Stay away from me.
Ah!
Get.
Don't worry! There's plenty of me to go around.
Regroup! We got a man!
This perimeter.
Cocksucker.
He killed Johnny.
On our bikes, are we?
Hey, this bigger.
I'm wiping out my whole customer base.
This land belongs to the law.
I'm irritated! That's what happens to reckless drivers!
Motherfucker! Damn it!
A ver. Paketazo bat bagara, paketazo bat gara.
Going straight to hell! Back up, brother!
Out of here!
Step right up! Step right up! Don't worry! There's plenty of me to go around.
Motherfucker! Get that creepy asshole!
Out of ammo!
Uy. Bai, akatu du guztiak.
Ortega lives near here. Let's go see him.
It's one thing messing with tweaked out bikers, but the Aztecas? Man!
The Aztecas. It's just a name. Is he Illuminati as well? Anahuac? Huh? One of the lizard people?
I got this Chinese contact you can meet at the end. He'll buy all the meth we can cook.
Our enterprise ain't just about meth. It's about guns, too. There he is. Let's wake him up.
What? With the truck? No, come on. Ortega runs the whole county.
Don't anymore. Come on!
Oh, shit!
Ah! Fuck! Oh, shit! Ortega! You wanna die?
What the fuck, Trevor?
This is the fuck, my soggy friend. You are out of business. The Lost MC are out of business. The guns and crank in this area go through Trevor Phillips Enterprise, or they ain't going.
Saying something don't make it true.
Ah! This is happening.
The shot callers ain't gonna be happy. He's looking at me. They're gonna greenlight you after this. I think he gets it.
Oh, that feels better!
You sure mean business, T.
Joder.
Let's get out of here, man. Quick! This is an unprecedented turn of events.
I always said I was gonna take over.
People say all kinds of stuff when they're 3 days into a smoking party.
Call it bullshitter, friend?
Clearly not. No way. You're a man of your word, as evidenced by said events.
If I say something is going to happen, it's going to. Maybe not today or tomorrow, but as soon as the moment is opportune.
Understood. Yes, sir.
If I say I'm fucking dead, then fucking dead I am! I'm not gonna raise my balding head on a beach in 10 years' time saying, all is well!
Is this about the ghost?
Michael fucking Townley, yes it is!
Well, you told me about him. You told me about him. Your old running buddy. And who was the other one?
Brad was the other one. He's locked up in a federal penitentiary. When he finds out Michael survived that job.
Yeah. What do you think happened?
If I knew what happened, I wouldn't be bemoaning these last 10 years I've spent in ignorance.
Some say ignorance is bliss.
For a man with an interest, some may say obsession, With the secret truth kept hidden behind historical events? That's a really weird thing to say.
I was trying to console you.
I don't need consolation. I need answers from that fat chump. Get out of the car, Ron. Any time to think. Run!
Vale. Sí, hostia.
Speak!
You know I don't like using these things. They're listening.
Then make it quick.
That business thing's been set up. The Chinese guy, Mr. Chang, is at the inn.
You said that on the phone? What the fuck is wrong with you, damn it, Ron? Now I'm gonna have to discipline you, and you know how I feel about that.
Hau, osea, joan zaio burua. Baina oso azkar gainera, Trevor ez dut batera gustatzen. Agian argia izan daiteke, baina ere pikutan joan.
Losing money. Everybody wants something from me, and I always give.
You're still banned.
What about these two?
Whoever wins gets banned.
He's one. Ban him.
I can't ban him. He's my goddamn husband.
He's young enough to be your son.
Ain't the internet a beautiful thing, honey?
Anyway, I saved your husband. Now give me a drink. I got a meeting.
Okay, but any more bodies turn up in my bar, I swear, I will not serve you.
Mr. Phillips.
Here he is. Yes, Mr. Chang, pleasure to meet you.
No, I am Mr. Chang's humble translator. Mr. Chang now.
我操他妈的！ 真是爽翻了
You
all speak Spanish, speak it to each other!
Mr. Tao Chung is pleased to meet your acquaintance.
Oh yeah, he seems it.
我说人事，你真是太好了你有空就加的来分配的我，这真是我人生中最美好的一刻。
What the fuck is wrong with him?
就是这个，来！
I'm out.
No, don't go! Please, I beg you. If you go, his father killed me.
Why do I give a fuck?
You don't. But we hear that Trevor Phillips Corporation is serious business. We pay good price. Things work out, we partner. Make big money.
I'm rushing!
Well, Let me show you the operation.
Buenak hemen pitzatuta daude.
This is us. Chef, we're just coming down to see the kitchen.
You can't get here quick enough. The Aztecas are coming. They think you took out Ortega.
They ain't mistaken.
Well, get down here and take them out too.
You sure your boss don't want this crank for his own personal consumption?
No, Mr. Cheng Sr. is very specific. He wants a good, reliable source of methamphetamine. We will buy from you here and distribute using established networks.
I'm worried that might dilute what our operation's all about. We're part of the slow meth movement, bio-regional, locavores only.
Shit, Trevor! We ain't got long!
Whoa, manners, chef! These are our guests, all right? We got Mr. Cheng and his humble servant.
Hey, Lao Shung! Nice to meet you. Trevor, we ain't got long till they get here.
Everything in its time, all right. Gentlemen, please, come check out the storage facilities. Go on now. Nice, right? There you go. Ample room inside. Mr. Cheng, please, sir, if you will.
Let me out!
Tour will recommence shortly, gentlemen.
Should we get the guns?
Yes, chef.
Help me!
Ah, vale, se va dituzte.
If I knew we were having visitors, would have done a little spring clean.
They really want you dead.
The Aztecas are as bad as clean them up, chef! Come on!
Shit, man! They're through the fence! We better get on this!
Let's see. Nowhere to escape now.
I think it's time for the Aztecas to die out!
Venga tu madre, puto.
They got the whole contingent here! This what you came for?
Shit!
Get off my property!
Oh, damn!
Where's the rest of them, eh?
They got behind us! The back of the building! Get in cover!
Now I really am gonna put you out of business!
Where you gonna go?
This is extremely unprofessional! Out, you cocksuckers! You've gone and made this personal!
I've got to reload, They're in the building! They're coming up the stairs! Find cover, amigos!
Rude motherfuckers!
They're here! Come over here, man! I
There's another car over there!
Come on, you Azteca scumbags!
Need a sec.
Somebody's back! This is a place of business!
God damn!
Get off my property! That's what you came for? Die already! The Aztecas are as bad as the Lost!
Trevor, look out! Now you're fucked, cabron.
I'm entertaining clients!
Working for you is a dangerous business! We need to get to the front of the shop! Come on!
Did you just try to tell me what to do?
We gotta get downstairs! Come on! Get behind here! They're coming in!
He's gonna die in this shithole! I think it's time for the Aztecas to die out! Hey, here he is! Ow! What are you gonna do? I gotta reload!
Piece of shit.
Out, you cocksuckers!
Hey, man down, he needs some help.
Look at them! They're broken! Ortega's dead! And so's your crew!
Go back to the lab and get me a damage report! I gotta let our potential business partners out of the ice chest. Yeah, all right. Time to recommence the tour, gentlemen.
I think we have seen quite enough. 改正，
但是还没有到5次嘛。
I'll swing by and sign the contracts, all right? Just ignore the bodies.
Hey, Trevor, are we still gonna cook that batch?
Fuck yeah!
Okay.
La...
Trevor!
What's going on, Ron?
They were here for you. Here for you.
Who was here?
Them bikers. After you killed Johnny K.
And they damage my stuff, huh? They smash up my home, damage my soul. Look at this statue here of impotent rage, this fucking meant more to me than Johnny K meant to anyone, and they smashed it.
Frika burua duele da.
Pathetic
Orain agian
midlife
apur bat.
crisis, hog riding, shaven headed, fruity leather, chapped wearing fucking assholes.
They're assholes, Trevor. They are. They're chap-wearing assholes.
Wait, you little shit. Whoa. Hey, Michael fucking Townley, right? Bitch wife, 2 kids, 45. Find him?
Los Santos is a big place, Trevor. There's lots of people.
You are fucking useless. Huh? Find out who did that fucking robbery, all right? And if Michael Townley lives there, or anyone matching his description, I'm gonna kill you and your fucking cousin. Am I being clear now?
Yes, Trevor.
Thank you. Wait. Now smile. Yeah. All right? That's better. Run along. Now, Ron. Shall we go? I cannot believe that they fucking destroyed my statue of impotent rage. The cheek! Huh? The fucking cheek of it. I gotta make a stop at Ammunition. You're meeting me at the Lost MC's airfield.
Come in!
I'll come in your ear when I get a hold of you.
Oh! What are you buying at the gun shop?
I'm not buying anything. I need a sniper rifle with a high-powered scope. They say they support local business. Well, we're about to find out if that's true. Melvin! How you feel about brand synergy, huh? TP Industries. Ammunition. Good, because you're about to make a corporate gift of a rifle. That's the rifle I need. She'll do nicely. Now I need a scope and a suppressor. It'll be quiet as a mouse. Get that look off your face. I know you sold Cletus's gun and he ain't got 3 brain cells. Ron, I got the gun. Meet me at the water tower just north of the airfield.
Roger that, Trevor. But you gotta look out, because there's bikers all over this airstrip.
Of course there are! 2 planes are touching down at the field on a weapons run. We're gonna wait till the right time and appropriate them.
I'm up here. I don't see the hardware, but I do see a hell of a lot of bikers.
Hardware's not here yet. I'm coming up.
I'm up the tower, Trevor.
We gotta wait till you can slip in there unnoticed. Should give you the time to plan a route to the gas tank you're rigging up to blow. The time is right. Go on, my son. Whenever you get a doubt in your mind, I want you to remember that I'm watching you through the scope of a high-powered rifle.
Right, Trevor. Right. Got it.
Now, relax. The ATV can only take you so far. Park it and don't let them spot you.
Can you see me, Trevor? Can you see me?
You wouldn't believe this, Ron. One of these assholes is having a seizure or something.
That's me! That's me! Don't shoot!
Well, get a move on!
I'm moving! Just keep me covered, okay?
Eso no da, eso te gusten.
Hold up! There's a guard standing under the control tower! There's a guy there, Trevor!
Guy? What guy?
Right there! Can you see him?
My vision is failing me.
This isn't a good time for that!
A man, you say?
Get him, Trevor! Please! He's right over there! There! He's gonna kill me, Trevor! He's there! You see where I'm pointing? Look where I'm pointing! He's right there! He's there! You see where I'm pointing? Look where I'm pointing! He's right there! He's there! You see where I'm pointing? Look where I'm pointing! He's right there!
Hostia.
He's there! You see where I'm pointing? Look where I'm pointing! He's right there! He's there! You see where I'm pointing?
Eso de ser guste.
Look where I'm pointing! He's right there! He's there! You see where I'm pointing? Look where I'm pointing! He's right there! Good kill, Trevor!
Hurry it up, Ronnie!
You hear that? I can hear an engine. They'll see that body. Maybe if you shoot those... They're on to us! The alarm's been raised!
A ver.
The ATV can only take you so far. Park it and don't let them spot you.
Can you see me, Trevor? Here, by the road!
You wouldn't believe this, Ron. One of these assholes is having a seizure or something.
That's me! That's me! Don't shoot!
Guard by the tower, taken care of. Keep moving, make yourself useful. You're walking like you shat yourself. Move!
Shit! I hear an engine! They're gonna see that guy you shot! Quick, shoot out the lights on the tower above him!
There's one. And there's the other.
You got him! Now don't shoot the guy in the van until he stops and gets out. Hold fire. We gotta see what he's up to. Shoot! They know we're here!
Vale, se te va a berrir.
The ATV can only take you so far. Park it and don't let them spot you.
Can you see me, Trevor? Trevor? You see me?
You wouldn't believe this, Ron. One of these assholes is having a seizure or something.
That's me! That's me! Don't shoot!
I saw a guy by the tower. I shot him. Now keep moving. You want me to shoot you in the behind? Hurry up, will ya? You can relax because lights are out already.
Good. Well, don't shoot the guy in the van until he stops and gets out, okay? Hold fire. We gotta see what he's up to. I think he's just calling the dead guy. You can erase him now. He's out. You can put him down. You should have seen the look on his face. Wait! A guy came out of the control tower. Get him quick. You gonna take him? He's gonna see us. He's gotta go. This ain't a joke! He's gotta go! You gonna take him?
And they all came tumbling down.
Oh no! Bottom of the tower! Another guy's on his way. He's down there, amongst the bodies.
Okay, I'll get to him.
Move quick on this guy! He's about to get his brothers! Clean shot, Trev. Another guy's coming out of the tower. Must be looking for the one you shot. He found him! Take him out, or he'll trip the alarm! He's gonna see us!
Woo! Down he goes.
Get your sights back on me, Trev! I'm scared! Come on, man! Cover me!
I got you in my sights, so get a move on and plant that bomb on the gas tank.
I can't! There's someone coming out of that building! I can hear him at that far door!
Hurry it up, Ron! You're making me wish I brought the guy in the clown face.
Shit! He's coming out the far door! Shoot! The guy had a buddy in the building! He's coming out! Good kill, Trevor! I'm fixing it! Don't let him sneak up on me, okay? And whatever you do, don't hit the tank! Please, man! I think someone's coming! Shit! He sees me! He sees me, Trevor! Shit! He's on to me! No, have mercy! Please! Don't! I don't want any trouble! Please! A bolt from the blue! Can you hear that? Chopper! Incoming!
Always hated that chopper. Just fucking drive. You're bikers.
It's looking for us, T! We ain't gonna get them guns when they got tactical superiority!
If I hit the chopper, everyone's gonna know we're here.
Try and hit the pilot when he's settled! They might think he crashed! Might they?
They must. Spirit of adventure.
Take cover!
One dead biker is as good to me as another. Give up the guns and we can be friends again!
Fuck you, you motherfucker!
I'm gonna kill you and then go back!
Motherfucker! He's going through the guns! Hey! There's nowhere to run, fuck boy!
I think I saw a man void his bowels!
Happens to the best of us. Now start that plane. Which one of you trashed my model?
I need you to fucking die now!
Reloading!
Shouldn't we go find the guys who came to the trailer?
No, we should secure this fucking hardware.
Vai, vai.
The dealer's coming for us again. Get me to my plane, Rod! Stop those guys! Vamos, go! Time to see you report, Ronald! Where's the guard tag? Come on, let's go, let's go!
Look on the right!
Let's go, Ronald! Get me to that plane!
Bikers on the left of us! There's a guy to the right!
Venga ya. Joder.
Run! Vamos, go! Nothing wrong with that!
Check the left, Trevor!
Come on, let's go, let's go!
Shit! Check the right!
Let's go, Ronald! Get me to that plane! Get me to my plane, Ron! Vamos, go! Come on, let's go, let's go! Shit! Is this one free, you permit jump pricks? Suppose there's room for a passenger?
In the van! Look out!
I told my contact to meet us just off the coast.
Hey, there's a biker on your wing, Trevor!
I am aware of this.
Well, you gotta get him off! Do a roll or something!
While the man on my wing presents no immediate danger, I'll do my best to oblige you.
Oh, there he goes!
Finally, I feel safe.
So, who might this buyer be?
There's only two places this kind of hardware is gonna go.
And they are?
Up north to our Canadian cousins, where the lost were likely to be sending them. Or other neighbors, those in the south, our Mexican brethren.
I'd assume you got all kinds of connections in Canada.
Why would you make an assumption like that?
It's obvious.
Why is it obvious? Spell it out for me before I order you to fly that plane into a mountain.
Because of where you used to operate. Weren't you pulling scores in North Yankton and running cargo over the border?
Oh. Yeah. Yeah, sure I was.
etorri eta zure atetio moduan.
Make the drop!
Fort Zancudo coming up. If we fly low, we ain't gonna show up on military radar.
Successfully delivered, Ron. Now remember, if you beat me to the airstrip, I'll butcher your carcass and wrap you in cheesecloth.
You wouldn't really do that to me, would you?
Beat me and you'll see.
I ain't a trained Air Force pilot like you. I can just about get where I'm going, but I don't got much choice over whether it's fast or slow.
Then get better at it, or fly through a barn.
Would a barn slow me down?
Yeah, it might do. Or it might kill you instead.
I'm just gonna fly normal, and I'll rely on you getting there quicker.
You're braver than I thought.
You ain't gonna stay in the air much longer looking like that. Stay low over those wetlands, boss. So the guns are going to Mexico?
Mexico! Yeah, guy in the boat is Oscar Guzman. He's in with the cartels.
If there's a market, this could be a way to expand the business.
Like I hadn't thought of that. We might be able to buy into Oscar's thing, but leave that to me, Ron.
I'm sorry to ask this, but does your contact pay well for this kind of shipment? Because I've got those lawyer fees for the divorce and my settlement costs.
Oh, he pays. Better than any in this sorry country.
That's good to hear, man.
We'll talk about the exact split when we're grounded, okay?
All right, T.
I think that was adequate restitution for my impotent rage statue.
That was a mighty fine statue, Trev.
That was a mighty fine piece of plastic shit. But there is no price for emotional attachment. I mean, you might forego your cut to alleviate my heartache.
I might? Yeah, I mean, I will. Good idea.
We don't have time to dwell on that now.
Because we got more runs, Ron. If there is one thing that they need south of that big fence, it is guns.
Trevor Phillips Industries! Technical expertise, managerial innovations, unstoppable!
Oh, that's right! Now go! I need to meditate. Or masturbate. Or both.
Vale, vale. ¿A dónde hago? Derrigorrezko izango da hau.
Let's go!
Christ!
Arreglo está por historia principal ahí. Mad Max modua.
You sure as shit are one dumb, ignorant, white trash hillbilly, Wallace.
You're damn right!
Chang, spreadsheet. Let's head outside and talk terms.
La.
Gentlemen, I think I have proved that my organization can handle weight. And I think I've proved that my organization is a reliable supplier. In short, it's you and me.
Now give me some of that goddamn X.
I'm afraid we want to go down a different path.
What?
We want to explore other opportunities.
坏家伙，坏死了！要不要我帮你放松一下
Shut the fuck up!
Our boss, Mr. Cheng's father, wants something a little larger. We want to move drugs, perhaps guns.
This is my life's work. I mean, since I was a little kid, I dreamt big. You know, I've always wanted to be an international drug dealer and a weapons trader. All right, so I'm begging you. Let's make this happen.
I'm very sorry.
You're sorry? You're fucking sorry? I just spilled my fucking guts out to you, and you say to me you're sorry. Who are you working with? Hmm? Who?
I'm not at liberty to say.
Oh, no, you're at fucking liberty. In fact, I'd say you are obliged. Who? Fucking who?
The O'Neill brothers.
The O'Neill brothers, huh?
Yeah.
You shitting me?
No.
Cause those fucking O'Neill brothers, I hear a little birdie telling me that they have a bit of a problem, since one of them's gonna have to be surgically removed from the skull of the other. Fuck you guys, and fuck them!
Hold on.
You only have yourself to blame.
Trevor Phillips.
Elwood O'Neill! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you!
Trevor, it's business.
That wide-eyed idiot was mine!
It's business, fella. You want to discuss it? We're at the farm. Ernie, Earl, Walton, Wynn, Dale, Doyle, Darrell, Dan, all of us.
Start writing those names on tombstones, cause I'm on the way to your lab and we're gonna see how much of a family meth business you got when I'm done! All of you are going to die!
Joder. Nena gerra godo atra horrekin.
Oh, shit! I just spoke to that maniac Trevor. He's coming. Get down to the meth lab to protect it. I hope he don't get through these idiots, but we know they're idiots. Come on, let's go see them Chinese fellas.
Oh, how many brothers you got, you inbred freaks? I don't know how I'm gonna do it. But I'll kill the lot of you, and I'll torch your cookhouse. Yeah!
Well, fuck me if it ain't him.
No, don't let him in the house!
Takeover time!
You piece of shit! Oh, Jesse at the clinic! We got one hurt bad!
Fuck! I didn't think he'd be over this quick! How about a murder, you prick? Oh, how many brothers you got, you inbred freaks?
Jesus H. Christ! Here we go! Ned! Ned! Shit! Gunfire! This is...
Whoever's here to kill ya! Oh, that's it, yeah, draw.
Find him or he'll kill us!
Oh, how many brothers you got, you inbred freaks? I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'll kill the lot of you, and I'll torch your cookhouse. I'm in.
You're dead! Where is he? You bleeding asshole! Well, fuck me if it ain't him! We gotta protect this house!
Let's see if we can cut.
Bai.
It's fucking Trevor fucking Phillips!
This don't look like a larger operation.
You're all dead!
It's happening! Get out of here! Get that motherfucker out the house! You
no count asshole!
Hey, look out!
Oh, shit!
Someone
back.
I'm in trouble!
You're in our house now.
Die!
It's over!
Die!
Crazy asshole! Get covered!
He ain't taking our crank!
Fucker.
Son of a bitch! You fucking weirdo! Get gone!
You assholes!
You motherfucker! Hey, back to your fucking trailer!
Dick! Get your own fucking business!
Fuck Trevor Phillips, man! Fuck him!
Larry's been hit! Yeah, fuck you, dealer man!
Had enough of you! Take over time!
Hey, fuck you! Go home!
Asshole!
I love this shit. You gonna be buried in this basement.
Fucking O'Neills! Don't mess with me!
Keep him out of the lab!
Dick!
You get out this property!
How about a merger, you pricks? Eat this!
You gonna die in this cookhouse.
Let's see if we can't cut you down to size. This don't look like a larger operation to me.
Dick! It's over! You no-count assholes! You assholes! Get your own fucking business, Dick! Crap, he's heading for the basement! Stay away! You no-count asshole! Take over time! Dick! Fucking O'Neills! Here I come, you pricks!
Nola sartzen da horra.
Keep him upstairs! He found the cook site!
Don't come any closer, all right? You win. You can have the contract. We ain't got the ambition, man. We went wrong, okay? Made a bad call. This is just like a subsistence farm. At least it should be. We'll correct that. Come on, man. Shit, please. I don't know how many of my brothers you smoked, but you ain't touching this lab. Get out of here. Go on now, get. Get going, you creepy SOB. Get. You...
Well, look at this! Arrgh! You asked for this, assholes! Mr. Spot! I'm gonna burn it to the ground! Smell those fumes? Yeah, you've only yourselves to blame. You disrespectful pricks!
Get back here! You're not even hidden! Have you got it?
I've been trying, Trevor. I've been trying.
Come on over here, all right? I ain't gonna hit you.
I've been trying.
I know.
Guarda, boy.
I thought you said you wasn't gonna hit me.
I thought you said you were gonna find fucking Michael Townley.
There's 2 Michael Townleys living in LS. One is 83, and the other one is at kindergarten. I asked the teacher to put him on the phone just to be safe, but she threatened to call the cops. I ain't no molester, Trevor.
Shut up before I molest you, all right? Now, is there anything else?
I looked through the phone directory. I did find a Michael DeSanta, about the right age, married with 2 kids.
What's his wife's name?
Amanda?
Amanda?
Yeah.
You're a genius, you moron. Come on, come here. Woo! Don't you ever not tell me things I want to know!
Sorry, Trevor.
Run, you little bastard! Get out here! We're going to Los Santos.
Are we?
Not you, me and Wade.
What about me?
You're CEO of Trevor Phillips Enterprises. Find us some business so that we can make some money. And tidy my shit up. Let's go, Wade, come on. I'm driving. You can jerk me off if I get bored. I'm joking. You can suck me off.
Are we gonna stop for ice cream? So we're headed to Los Santos then?
Soon. I gotta make a stop.
Oh, what's the stop? Ice cream? Road trip? We taking this one?
Get in! Where are your people at in Los Santos?
It's just my cousin there, Floyd. He's bunked in with his girlfriend someplace called Vespucci Beach. So, what's the stop?
Family's important, Wade. Not as important as the man that's employed you, mentored you, and fed you amphetamines this last year, but it's important. We gotta pay this cousin a visit.
I ain't seen him in a while, Trevor.
All the more reason to drop by.
Okay, that might be nice, but where are we stopping on the way? Cause, you know, I'm getting kind of wet over here.
For fuck's sakes! Another chapter of the Lost descended on this fine town. Looking to mourn and maybe revenge their dead. I was thinking me and you could pay our respects.
Trevor, I don't think we'd be welcome there. I mean, wasn't you the one who...
Camp's up here. I'll wait till dark before I drop in again.
The assholes here, they slipped. Ice took a hold of this whole place.
You're lost, but you are not forgotten, brothers. We'll find that motherfucker.
I got you them bombs and that pistol with the thing that makes it quiet on it.
Yeah, I took them. Those are my gifts for these pricks. Hey man, fuck! You're Trevor Phillips!
This is the maniac, Royce, the brothers! I can't believe he came back! Put him in the ground, people! My boy's down!
This isn't you useless pricks!
He ain't gonna do us again!
The Lost aren't welcome here!
I'll kill you!
You gonna come here to fuck with me?
Vale.
I got you them bombs and that pistol with the thing that makes it quiet on it.
Yeah, I took them. Those are my gifts for these pricks. Sit tight, buddy.
Don't be long. pistol if the thing can make it quiet. Hang on it.
Yeah, I took them. Those are my gifts for these pricks. Wait here. Don't get killed.
I'll try not to get killed.
Bai, jarraitu gu.
Fuck off! Go! Fuck off! Get out of town, you assholes! He ain't gonna do us again! Time to hit the road, Wadey. Los Santos, here we come.
That go okay? I heard Dr. banging and screaming. But then not the nice kind.
Yeah, it went good, Wade. We don't have to think about the loss no more. Let's go find my old buddy.
This Michael Townley guy must have pissed you off real bad for you to want to find him so much.
He didn't piss me off. The guys that killed him, the federal government, they pissed me off.
But if he's dead, who's this?
Now you're starting to grasp the pertinent questions. Who is this guy using my dead friend's tired-ass movie quotes? With my dead friend's alias? And my dead friend's family? In a house I must have been paid for with my dead friend's stashed millions?
Wow, that's a real mindfuck.
Yeah, I'll show you a fucking mindfuck. I'm gonna stick my boy in your eye. It's gonna come out of your ear, huh?
I didn't mean anything by that, T. Trevor?
Lube up your eye hole, fucker! Cause I'm gonna fuck your tiny mind, huh? I'm about ready to turn you into roadkill!
Please, don't turn me into... Oh, my! Don't turn me into anything! I just want to be Wade. Are we nearly there yet?
No, Wade.
Are we nearly there?
You keep this up, you're not gonna get there at all.
Can you tell me a story?
No, Wade.
Let's play a game then. You know animal, mineral, or vegetable? I'll go first. I'm nanotechnology.
You're what?
Ooh, damn it. I gave it away. I wasn't supposed to say what I am. I'll start again. Animal, vegetable, or mineral?
Hey, how about this? I'll tell you a story if you promise never to speak again.
I like stories.
Of course you do. This story's about a boy called Trisha.
Is Trisha a boy's name?
It doesn't matter.
Sounds weird.
He was weird. He was the smartest, toughest, weirdest kid in Canada. Well, in the Canadian border region of America.
Okay.
This boy, he had all the talent, charisma, and guile that a boy could have, but he didn't know what to do with it.
He should become a baseball player.
Right there. Los Santos. End of the fucking
Trevor.
earth.
Oh, this is it. So, this is Los Santos.
I guess it is.
I always wanted to come here.
But you got stuck in the desert?
It's still San Andreas.
Best part of the state.
Freak the shit out of me! Ah! Ah! That's it. I'm calling the old bill. Send someone down here right away.
Are we going somewhere we can take cops?
We have a civilian requiring assistance.
Woo-hoo! Again!
In Vinewood Hills.
Check my siren.
Acknowledge.
konektame espero hobeto.
So, Michael, this is where dead men come back to life. Huh? It's been nearly 10 years. Oh, but you'll keep for another day or so, huh, old friend?
Right.
You motherfucking fuck! I grieved for you! You weren't even fucking dead. You were my best friend. Well, guess who's coming to shit on your doorstep, you fuck!
I thought we were going to my cousin.
Los Santos, the city of shitheads. Where else would he be?
Floyd's over in Vespucci Beach. Will you tell me the story? About that boy, Trisha?
Ah, yeah. Where were we? Right. So, this kid, he could fly planes. So, he signed up for the Air Force to fly all day long and bomb villages and maybe, just maybe, drop the nuke. And it was all going well until one day, just before he got his wings, an evil witch in charge of psychological evaluations told him he was unstable and grounded him for life.
That's terrible.
It was. Sent him to a deep pit of doubt and despair. And just then, just as he hit rock bottom, he met a fat, silver-tongued troll under a bridge.
That's cool. What was the troll's name?
Michelle.
A lady troll?
Yeah, he had tits like one, but no, he was a boy.
Michelle is a funny name for a boy.
Well, this was a funny boy. He sat under his bridge, robbing anyone who passed him by. Sometimes he'd go into town and rob the shops and inns and such. And he persuaded our hero that maybe he should rob people too. And you know what? Little Trisha did rob people, and little Trisha was good at it.
And they lived happily ever after?
For a while, until the troll met another troll in a strip club, and they... We're swapping insurance details. And they fell in lust, and he bought her a pair of fake troll tits, even bigger than his real troll tits, so she could make more... Ow! So she could make more money stripping. Maybe a little on the side without call work, but you didn't hear that from me. Wow! And then she pushed out a pair of little trolls, and the big bad troll under the bridge went soft.
Oh! We're near Floyd's house. I've seen it on iPhone maps. I'll give you directions. Now keep going. Keep it straight now. This is the place. I think it is, at least. Cousin Floyd! It's up here, Trevor. Floyd, it's me, Wade.
Who?
Me, Wade, your cousin.
Who?
Your cousin! Fuck! He's come to visit you, you rude fuck. Now get up off the floor and fix me a fucking drink.
Oh, you, Wade. I heard you was off smoking meth somewhere.
No, not somewhere. Here. He's gonna smoke meth here. Give me a fucking lighter.
You can't smoke here.
Okay.
This is my girlfriend's place. She's at a business conference. You can't smoke here and you can't stay here.
How's it going, cousin? It's been a while.
Yeah, I ain't seen you since you was caught in Evelyn's bed.
That was never proved.
You gotta go, both of you. My girlfriend, she'd kill me if she knew I had guests.
Well, it's not much of a girlfriend if you don't like your family. Now, would you get me a fucking drink? I'm not gonna ask you again.
Oh, yeah, okay. Wait, I ain't got no booze.
Well, then you go out and fucking get me something. You go too.
All right, okay.
Fuck.
There you are, you little shit. Are you looking for this? No.
Very funny. You know, you're a real asshole.
What did you just fucking say to me?
Stop it! You two, you're ruining my fucking yoga!
Somebody say yoga?
Trevor?
Michael.
Hey. It's good to see you, man.
Yeah, I bet it is. Of course, I'm not the one that's been resurrected. Ain't this grand, huh?
Yeah, well, I got in a bit of an awkward situation.
You're telling me, bro. Yeah. One of those fake your own deaths to your best buddy, and then run off with the dough, and then live in a big mansion. Awkward situations.
It's one way of looking at it.
Yeah, do you have any other ways of looking at it? 'Cause I am all out.
It was a long time ago, man. I've been in witness protection. I still am.
That's great. That's great. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Where are my manners, right? Amanda, it is good to see you. Oh, I missed you. You used to be fatter. Nice new tits, by the way. Jimmy, you used to be thinner, but I can't blame you. Who are you?
Namaste. I'm Fabian.
Good Lord. Where's Tracy?
Where's your sister, Jim?
She's trying out for TV.
She's what?
Yeah, she's auditioning for Fame or Shame.
Fame or Shame?
The fuck are you talking about?
You know, it's that talent/skills show. She loves it, you guys know that.
What's her talent?
Dancing.
Oh, Christ, she's a horrible dancer.
Michael!
She might disagree with you on that.
Jesus Christ, what, now? Now? Where?
The Maze Bank Arena.
Oh, little Tracy being humiliated. Let's go, we go get her.
We?
Yeah, we. What, are you gonna stand here and argue while your daughter becomes a national laughingstock? Huh? You're worse than I thought. Now let's go, come on!
All right.
So, Mike, what were you doing?
I was making myself a juice. Broccoli, raw kale, fish oil. This recipe I got is packed with nutrients, fibers, vitamins, and it don't taste bad. I'll send you the recipe. Anyway, get this. I'm making it. The blender slips, juice goes everywhere. I'm about to clean it up when I find this bag of grass. Big fucking bag, Jimmy's, right? Okay, just that moment, Amanda comes in. Sees me there with...
I didn't ask for a blow-by-blow of how you lost your last ounce of masculine pride. I wanted to know what you've been doing for a decade.
Easy, T.
Don't T me.
Hey. No. If anyone needs kale, my friend...
I'm beyond kale, okay? It's too late for kale and its magical powers to have any effect on me.
Fine.
Or yoga. Or talk therapy. I'm a crank, cannibalism, an incest kind of guy.
Oh, don't worry, T. They'd skip that talk and go straight to shock treatment with your ass.
You too chilled out to say my name, you fat slob? You too relaxed, and you laid back Los Santos embarrassment? Huh? Is one letter all you can bring yourself to wrap your slothful lips around?
Whoa, dude. You do not let the fuck up.
I got 10 years worth of venting to do. The let up, my friend, is a long way off.
Fine. Do what the fuck you want.
What? Well, I want to save your daughter from making an ass of herself.
Oh, really, man? Really? What is it? Money or a fight? What? What do you come here looking for?
I came looking for you. And I found you.
Yes, you did.
I know who you are, Michael Townley. You're in a new place, with some new friends and some fruity fucking habits, but you're still my running buddy. You can't undo that.
Yeah, sure, okay, whatever.
Great! Okay, this'll be it. The Maze Bank Arena. Let's find them. It's showtime, kids!
You can't park there! Production vehicles only!
Come on, you dipshit. Ah, that host, man, he's like any closeted TV presenter. Bitter as fucking vinegar.
Where the fuck are they?
Hello, sir. May I please have your names?
Where the fuck is Tracy Townley, huh? Tracy fucking DeSanta. Fuck, screw that! Where the fuck's Laszlo?
It doesn't matter.
Please be quiet. You're gonna be just as good then as
All right. Yeah. That was really good. All right. It's the auditions, Fame or Shame, season 14, right here in Vinewood, San Andreas. Coming up next, it's Tracy DeSanta. Judges, Tracy DeSanta. Yes.
Hi.
All right. Tracy's a dancer, but she also likes acting, modeling, and working with children. That's beautiful. You're so original, like a basket full of puppies or a rainbow or a pile of puke.
Oh.
Who are these clowns?
That's my dad and Trevor?
Two dads. Great.
Wow.
Very San Andreas.
What are you guys doing here?
Yeah, what are you doing here?
Okay, I'm back.
Relax, chill, make yourself at home. He's got a little show to do here.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. All right, it's Fame or Shame for Tracy DeSanta. Music! Yeah.
You wouldn't even talk to me.
Take what your daddy's gave you, honey.
So crazy.
Your dad's stuff a 20 in this.
Oh!
Fucking do something about this.
That's enough.
Oh! I said that's enough! Hey, I got security! Security!
What'd you fucking
Hold
say?
it, come on!
Big guy,
come on there!
No!
Come here, you little shit!
Go home right now, Tracy. Come back here. They towed us. We gotta take the truck.
There! We take the truck! I got a deposit on that truck! Let's get that prick!
Be careful!
How can you sit there and watch your daughter get treated like that?
Hey, you raise a daughter in this town, you get used to stunts.
It's poor parenting.
Now, thanks for the fucking feedback. It means a lot coming from you.
We're gonna... We're running that prick down.
Hey, take a left up here.
How can you sit there and watch your daughter get treated like that?
Hey, you raise a daughter in this town, you get used to stunts.
It's poor parenting.
Now, thanks for the fucking feedback. It means a lot coming from you.
No one's getting in the way of the big rig! We'll flatten this dickbag. Fucking Laszlo. I knew he was an asshole.
Just push him off the fucking road! It's only a battery car, come on!
This ain't exactly a racer.
He took a left! Ah, the little bastard's gone into the train tracks! We can have a little fun with it. Well, let's not try to kill this prick, all right?
When we crush his little toy car, who knows what'll happen to him?
He went left!
I knew this city would be full of douchebags.
Can we speed it up a little, huh?
Maybe by throwing your fat carcass over the side.
Look, You went right.
No iba Tekken engañera.
Right, up there. Can't get enough of the celebrities, can you? 10 fucking minutes in LS.
Shut up! That cocksucker might be famous, but
We'll get him! We'll get him!
Well, we're sure taking our time about it. He's going down into the LS River.
I can see that. I hate that closeted man whore on the TV. I hate him on the radio. I hate him even more in person. He was never funny. The little shit's all out of juice.
Oh, hey, guys.
You run out of bat?
Hey, Lester.
Mike, hey, I'm transferring your cut of the jewel store take to your account. Madrazo's already got the house money, so you can rest easy there.
Ah, thank God for that.
Oh, jeez, this is horrendous.
Oh!
LSPD, stop the car!
Oh, esto.
Hello, Dr. Hernandez. Thanks for calling back.
Give you the number of that headshot guy.
I wondered if I could postpone the medical until next month. Oh, the diet's going well. I just want to lose a couple more pounds. Could you call in a refill on the blood pressure medication? Just in case. Thanks, Doc. See you in a few weeks.